In this video, I will show you how to lock a column in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and locate the column you want to lock. Locking a column means preventing others from editing it, which is very useful when you want to protect important data like formulas or headers. To begin, click on the letter at the top of the column to select the entire column. For example, if you want to lock column A, just click on the letter A. Next, right-click on the selected column and choose Protect Range. This will open the Protected Sheets and Ranges panel on the right side of your screen. In the panel, you can give your protected range a description, like Locked Column A, to keep things organized. Then click on Set Permissions. Here, you can choose who's allowed to edit the column. You can restrict it so only you can make changes, or allow specific people to edit if you're working in a shared file. Once you've set the permissions, click Done. Now that column is locked, and anyone without permission won't be able to edit it. If someone tries to make changes, they'll see a warning message saying the cell or column is protected. If you ever need to unlock it, simply go back to the Protect Range panel, select the protected column, and remove or change the permissions. Locking columns is a great way to keep your data safe and maintain consistency, especially when collaborating with others. So that's how to lock a column in Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.